In a quiet peach orchard, old trees stand firmly beneath the soft morning light. From the cracks in their textured bark, drops of amber-colored sap slowly emerge. These drops are not harvested right away. They are left to harden, shaped by wind and time, becoming natural crystals known as peach gum. Several days later, when the sap has fully solidified, farmers carefully collect each piece by hand. Only the clearest and cleanest crystals are chosen. The peach gum is then dried under the sun to remove any remaining moisture, before being taken for further processing. In the kitchen, the small crystals are sorted once more. Dust and impurities are removed, and the peach gum is soaked in clean water for 8 to 12 hours. In silence, a transformation takes place. The hard crystals slowly expand, becoming soft, translucent, and almost flour-like in appearance. Once fully softened, the peach gum is rinsed again. Fresh water is poured into a pot, followed by red dates, rock sugar, and a few slices of fragrant ginger. Everything is simmered gently over low heat. There is no rush, as this delicacy requires patience. Warm steam begins to rise, carrying a light, soothing aroma. Gradually, the liquid turns into a clear, sweet soup. The peach gum now has the perfect texture, soft, chewy, and delicate. Once ready, it is served warm in a small bowl. More than just a dessert, a bowl of peach gum is a journey of nature. From a simple drop of sap on a tree trunk to a comforting, nourishing dish, proof that true beauty is created through time, patience, and the touch of nature.